In this lesson, we will make a fire alarm using an active buzzer and a flame sensor. First, let's do the wire connection according to the connection diagram. For the flame sensor, pay attention not to reverse GND and VCC. Plug the active buzzer to the breadboard. Connect positive end to D9. Negative end connect to ground. Next, plug the flame sensor to the breadboard. Positive end connect to 5 volt. Negative end connect to a 10K ohm resistor. The negative end of the flame sensor also connect to A0. The other end of the resistor connect to ground. After wire connection is done, let's upload the test program to the board. First, connect your Uno to computer with a USB cable. Firstly, take a look at the sample code. You can see no libraries needed. Now open Arduino IDE, select the board and COM port. Then directly copy the program from the supporting file. The pin definition in the program is according to the circuit connection. Paste the program here. Click Verify to check compiling mistakes. If codes are correct, click Upload to upload the program to the board. After uploading is done, turn on the lighter. The flame sensor senses the flame. The buzzer rings. Test is now complete. Thank you.